Believe in the power of collaboration and innovation to make a difference. I sincerely hope this event serves as a platform to inspire ideas, foster friendships, and create lasting memories, all while emphasizing the importance of sustainability in every aspect of our lives. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our organizing committee, faculty members, and student volunteers who have worked tirelessly to bring this vision to life. A special thank you to our esteemed judges and
to be here as a chief guest for the inaugural event of Trishul. This unique initiative brings together the brightest minds to focus on one of the most pressing challenges of our time, biodiversity conservation and environmental sustainability. Congratulations first of all to the college for organizing this event and creating a platform that encourages young minds to think critically and creatively about our collective future. They have spoken just now about Trishul being about creation, preservation, destruction. So I would also say it evokes strength, balance and purpose to particularly apt for this initiative today. We come together not only to celebrate knowledge but to also collaborate on solutions for preserving the very fabric of life. I had recently actually gone to Delhi for a UN function, UN ESCAP, and there I had moderated a session on SDG 8, that is Decent Work and Economic Growth, and SDG 4, Quality Education. However, what I have noticed is that SDG awareness is very low in Goa. So it is very good that this college has organized this and in a very palatable format, I would say, through competitions, exhibitions and interactive sessions, which will provide an opportunity to students to engage, share and innovate. At the heart of today's discussion are the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs as we call them, adopted by the United Nations in 2015. These 17 goals form a comprehensive framework aimed at ending poverty, protecting the planet and ensuring prosperity for all by 2030. Goals like climate change, that is SDG 13, life on land, SDG 15, responsible consumption and production, SDG 12, resonate strongly with the themes of biodiversity and sustainability, which are the themes of today, I believe. The SDGs are not abstract targets, but a roadmap for building a harmonious balance between human progress and the planet's well-being. Every step we take, whether conserving waste, reducing waste, or whether conserving water, reducing waste or protecting endangered species contributes to a larger mission. Students, your role in society is pivotal. You are just not leaders of tomorrow, but you are the change makers of today. So education is not just about gathering knowledge or acquiring knowledge, but it is how you apply it to address real life challenges. So the innovative ideas that you are going to display, talent and the passion that you bring to events like this can drive a meaningful change. The world needs energy, creativity and commitment now more than anything else. From designing sustainable technologies to creating awareness campaigns, your contribution can shape a greener, more equitable future. Goa is also a land of beautiful beauty. So it is very important that this abundance comes with a responsibility to preserve and protect. Local initiatives like moving towards sustainable packaging, what we are all doing of late, ecotourism and community-led conservation efforts, whether it is by students or Rotary clubs, demonstrate the small, consistent efforts that have a profound impact. These examples make you all think globally and act locally. As the participants of this event, you have a unique opportunity to showcase your knowledge, ideas and solutions today for sustainable development. Through competitions and exhibitions, let your creativity shine. Remember, sustainable development is not a task for government or organizations alone. It is a collective responsibility that requires each one of us, especially students at the ground level, to act. Whether it is reducing single use of plastic or advocating renewable energy like solar energy or protecting a natural environment, every effort counts. So in conclusion, let me express my deep appreciation to organizers of Trishul for their vision and dedication. To all students present here, I urge you all to seize this opportunity to learn, collaborate and inspire. You are the custodians of the future and the choices you make will determine the legacy you leave behind. To the organizers, I wish to thank them for inviting me for this unique program. I think this is one of the first colleges or maybe the first college who has organized this program on SDGs. Let us all work together to create a sustainable world where humanity thrives in harmony with nature. So as we embark on this journey, let us carry the spirit of Trishul, of strength, balance and purpose. That is a creation, preservation and destruction in all we do. Thank you. I wish you great success.
धुवून वच्चे अशी अपेक्षा करतो. हरमल पंचक्रोशीच्या गणपत पार्सेकर कॉलेज ऑफ एज्युकेशन ज्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनान आमी आसा जांचो हो आदलो प्रोग्राम आसा ते इन्स्टिट्यूशन 2015 सुरू जाल्लें with the motive of giving ideal teachers to the society. बरे टीचर्स समाजात दिवपा खातीर हे इन्स्टिट्यूशन करप हे कॉलेजान जन्म घेतलो and over a period of last 10 years 9 years 10th year is going on आमचो मोठ्या प्रमाणात आमचो जो मोटिव असलो तो पूर्णत्वाक गेलो अशें हांव म्हणटा. आजचो प्रोग्राम जो ह्याच कॉलेजीन आयोजीत केल्लो आसा तो एक युनिक प्रोग्राम आसा. तशें फ्रॉम द इन्सेप्शन ऑफ दिस इन्स्टिट्यूशन the activities that are being conducted, the functions, the programs that are being organized are specialized in certain respects. जे प्रोग्राम आम्ही ऑर्गनाइज करतात त्या प्रोग्रामातसून साधारणपणे समाजाची उपयुक्तता, समाजाची आवश्यकता, एक आदर्श समाज घडचो कसो हाचेर फोकस करणारे आणि त्याचबरोबर हे सगळे करत असताना एक आदर्श समाज घडत असताना एक आदर्श राष्ट्र घडचे, आदर्श शिक्षकाची पिढी समाजात दिवची आणि तातूंतसून एक आदर्श राज्य जावचे असो प्रयत्न आमचो सदांच असता. आणि ताचोच भाग म्हणून आजची ही दिसभराची कॉम्पिटिशन, जी कॉम्पिटिशन पूर्ण विचार करून युनायटेड नेशन्सान 2015 सालान एकूणच जगाच्या उद्धारा खातीर फॉर द वेलफेअर ऑफ दिस प्लॅनेट दे ऑन थरो डिस्कशन डेलिब्रेशन्स जे 17 SDGs सांगले. ते 17 SDGs आम्ही सगळ्यांनी पाळणे गरज आसा, इम्प्लिमेंट करणे गरज आसा, त्याचे महत्व समजून घेणे गरज आसा. आणि युनायटेड नेशन्सान हे सगळे जगावेल्या सगळ्या देशांक अपील केले आणि ऑल हॅव एग्रीड एज वेल. आणि ताचोच भाग पण म्हाका दिसता की ज्या प्रमाणात फाटल्या 9 वर्सांत ताची प्रसिद्धी आणि एडॉप्शन जगभरात जावंक जाय आसले तितले जाल्ले दिसना हेची म्हाका खंतय आसा. आणि म्हणून आमच्या कॉलेजीन भरपूर परिश्रम घेतल्यात आणि आमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांक प्रत्येक SDGचेर कॉम्पिटिशन सुचयल्या. त्या निमित्तान पार्टिसिपेटींग भुरगीं आणि जे पळयतले ह्या सगळ्यांचेर ताचो प्रभाव पडचो, तेची महती लक्षात घेवची आणि तातूंतसून हे सगळे SDGs हे खऱ्या अर्थान फुडें वचचे आणि फुडें वता आसतना ह्या समाजाचो आणि ह्या जगाचो उद्धार जावचो. SDGचेर कॉम्पिटिशन करता आसतना टिचरांक आनी भुरग्यांक कितलो परिश्रम घेतला हाची म्हाका जाणीव आसा. तुम्ही सगळे जण म्हणजे मोठ्या प्रमाणावर वेगळ्या कॉलेजींतसून आयले येत आसा. पयले फावट हांगा युनिव्हर्सिटीचे स्टुडंट आयिल्ले आसात. GMCचे पार्टिसिपेशन आसा आणि त्यामुळे जास्त वेळ घालत असताना यू ऑल आर eager to participate, you all are eager to contribute. दिसभर हांगा हे चलतले. सगळे इमारतींनी वेगवेगळ्या जाग्याचेर वेगवेगळे कॉम्पिटिशन जातल्यो. सांजेवेळा 4:30-5 पर्यंत तुम्ही हांगा आसतले. अजून तुमच्यात जॉईन जाणारे आसात, वाटेर आसात, हे सगळे जॉईन जावन 4:30-5, 5:30 साधारणपणे बक्षीस वितरण कार्यक्रम सगळ्यो स्पर्धा सोंपतकीर जाता.